Are you looking for the best air compressor switches? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best air compressor switches that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the FBANG Air Compressor Pressure Switch. The FBANG pressure switch offers an innovative design that seamlessly integrates into various air compressor systems, enhancing performance and efficiency. With a built-in safety valve, it automatically detects and releases excessive pressure, protecting both the switch and your equipment. The clear pressure gauge display allows you to easily monitor air pressure levels, ensuring you can maintain optimal performance at a glance. This versatile switch is suitable for industrial, commercial, and residential use, making it a valuable addition to your air compression setup. Up next in the 4th place is the Huivlei Heavy-Duty Pressure Switch. The Huivlei pressure switch is designed for robust performance with air compressors operating between 90–125 psi. Its heavy-duty contacts ensure durability, making it ideal for demanding tasks. You will appreciate the easy installation process, thanks to the single-port connection, which allows you to set it up quickly without hassle. Made from corrosion-resistant materials, this switch promises a long operational life, giving you peace of mind that it will function reliably for many years. With excellent customer support available, any questions or concerns you have can be addressed promptly. The 3rd product on our list is the Huivlei LF104H Pressure Switch. The Huivlei LF104H Pressure Switch is a 4-port air compressor pressure switch replacement control with a NPT1/4 connection, 95–125 psi cutoff pressure, and a 20 voltage. It features a built-in on-off metal lever and unloader, and a 4-port manifold for easy mounting in any direction. The switch is preset to turn the compressor on at 95 psi and shut off at 125 psi, making it a safe and convenient option for drilling, airbrushing, spraying, and nailing. Second on our list is the LEFOO Heavy-Duty Pressure Switch. The LEFOO Heavy-Duty Pressure Switch is a universal replacement for air compressors. It has a factory preset of 135–175 psi, a heavy-duty 26A, and a corrosion-resistant non-metallic cover. Customers have found it easy to install and adjust, and it works perfectly. The only drawback is that the on-off switch is not as accessible as the stock pressure switch. Finally, the top product on our list is the Air Compressor Pressure Switch Control 90–125 psi single-port, heavy-duty 26A. This air compressor pressure switch control 90–125 psi single-port heavy-duty 26A is an excellent replacement for damaged or old pressure switches. It is suitable for 90–125 psi 26A air compressor, made of high-quality material, with long mechanical life, corrosion-resistant, and easy to operate and convenient to use with the air compressor. Customers are satisfied with the product, and it works fine with no issues. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.